Back in 2001, Jan Danielsson and Niklas Johansson decided to carry forward their plan of creating a modern, expansive Faroese constructing company. Their vision and goal was to rapidly expand to such a level that their company was able to undertake and fulfill all large building and construction projects in the Faroe Islands. In rapid succession, Articon became the favorite tender to a number of large construction operations. Today, Articon is a highly reputed household name in the Faroes and has a track record of a number of prestigious projects. Articon also has considerable experience and skills in dredging operations and harbor constructions. From the very start, the founders had the imperative of Articon always to adhere to the agreed price and agreed building time. During the years, Articon has received public and private acknowledgement for the very high level and workmanship. The honor of being Company of the Year was bestowed upon Articon in 2008, and in 2010, the Managing Director was appointed Leader of the Year. After 10 successful years, Articon is financially strong and is now further expanding with operations in the neighboring countries, such as Shetland. A highly skilled and motivated staff is the most important asset of Articon, and the company endeavors to maintain the highest level of a good and safe working environment. Articon is proud of inviting to cooperation and partnership within the construction and building industry as contractor, as subcontractor, and in a partnering scheme both domestically and abroad.